Okay, come. Okay, so welcome everybody to our talk about 100 Groovy scripts that can save your day. First of all, let us introduce ourselves.
I am Miguel.
I'm George, and today we will talk about a typical day in a typical IT department. Sorry, I forgot to switch off my mobile phone and I call me. Sorry. Hi. 1 second. Hello. Yeah, me. Yeah. No. What? An Excel file. Do you want an Excel file with the top sales of our product? And you want right now? Yeah. Now I understand. Okay. Let me see what can we do. Okay, I call you. Miguel, please stop playing. We are in trouble. The Department Financial want an Excel file with the top sales of our products. Please. But they want an Excel file, and we are using Linux. We can do something?
Well, no problem, because I know a tutorial, and it will be very useful for us. And we need Excel, okay?
Great.
And import to a database, okay? And this is the dependencies, this is the connection to database, okay? Well, let me download the script, okay? And put in my, okay. Okay, this is the script, okay, this is the dependencies and the name to report and the connection to database and the name of the columns. And well,
Great. So we had the Excel file?
yes,
Yes.
let me try. Okay.
Okay, meanwhile. Bye. Okay. Yeah, it's me. What? What? A Google Sheet? No, you say an Excel file. No, I'm pretty sure. Google? What? Let me. But we have the Excel file. I will send you right now the Excel file. What a Google Sheet?
Come on.
When you say an Excel file, you want to say on Google site. My God. Okay, let me see what can we do. I call you. Bye. Miguel. Financial department.
Okay, I try. Google.
Yes, also in English.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Well, I try to download the script in the same, okay. We need the ID of my spreadsheet and the dependencies, okay. Okay, I try. And try, okay. This is the ID of my sheet, and this is the query, and well, I try.
Can you show us the sheet?
A second. This is the file, and okay.
Presentation mode, please. Okay.
And
Okay, sorry. You can see the ID in the URL. You can see up top the ID that we have on the script. So,
finish.
can you repeat, because I was
Yes.
thinking.
And
So,
I run the script.
great. We had so, give me a second. Yes, I will send you the. Yes. I will send you the URL. We have this. What? Okay. Let me see. What? Oh, hello.
Community manager.
You want this top sales? A Twitter. Yes, and you want a pie chart also. yeah, I understand. Okay, so let me see what can we do. Miguel, please tell me that we can send a Twitter without products.
Well, I try.
101 would be scripts.
It's the best. Okay. We need properties, dependencies, and this is the message, and the title.
Yes, of course. This is easy.
Very
One,
easy.
we can put what the test you want, okay? No more. I will tweet right now. Give me a
This is
second.
the message, the title, and I try.
Before to launch, can you show us or
Okay.
the Twitter timeline of our company?
Yes.
Okay, this is the tweet. So can you?
Okay. Let me run. And this
here
is
we
the
go. So we Twitter our products of sale. The most sold product of Greach. Okay, so
Good job.
you saved my day. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Miguel. The presentation. Okay, so this is our typical day in our IT department. And I think, I don't know how much time I have. I think we have a lot of scripts, Twitter, Google, Excel, database, files. Every week we think some more scripts. Last was from Bitbucket, but let me introduce 101 Groovy scripts about us. Well, I'm Jorge Aguilera. This is Miguel Rueda. But you can appear here. This is an open blog. We're waiting your ideas, and you can participate. And every script has the author, so if you send us your script, you will appear on the credits. Well, 100 whatever scripts at the beginning was inspired by the blog of Mr. Hockey. We want to collect as many scripts as we can. Always we try to solve a specific case. So we want to collect understandable scripts, easy to read, short, but I don't know if we are doing. So this is our work. Collect as many scripts as we can in Groovy, and in some way try to gain Javasaurios to the ecosystem of Groovy and other people. We use a repository at GitLab. It's open, so you can clone and you can do what you want. You can go to our site. Is what you see. Well, we use gbake, and we use also ASCII Doctor as the main documentation is in ASCII Doctor. Our methodology is very easy. Every user fork for the Git, for the repository. Well, we talk about, between us, talking, I have an idea, what? Talking about the idea, try to do an ETL script. We discuss about it. Well, it's easy. We try to, So tag the most important part of the scripts and document the scripts. As you saw, we try to identify the dependencies, the business case that we want to solve, and so on. So we do a first category with the basic, where you can learn how to install or easy scripts without sense, file, database, blah, 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 blah. But it's an open category because 101 scripts are grown out, and we think that we need to review the categories in some moment. We use GitLab, so you need to have an account if you want to contribute. We use Gbay because it's one of the static sites that we love because we can use Groovy, and we use Groovy with Gbay, and because he's integrated with ASCII Doctor. And obviously we use ASCII Doctor because for us it's the best tool to write documentation. And because with the same source we can write HTML, PDF, EPUB with the same source. No? Well, in this URL you have the HTML version. Also in the HTML you have the links to the PDF, to an EPUB. Well, our aim is to someday publish also in Amazon. So I hope you buy the book. And,
Please.
and this is all. Some question? No. It's all clear, no? All clear. Okay, so you are invited to send your scripts. We are waiting. Thanks.